Hi YouTube viewers. In this video we will see how to set up email for your website in your GoDaddy account. Log in to your GoDaddy hosting account. Click Manage button under Web Hosting section. Next click cPanel Admin button here. On the cPanel page, click Email Wizard under Email section. Next, in Email Setup Wizard form, fill in the details below. In the email box, type the email prefix like contact or sales or info or individual name. Next, choose the website domain from the list of websites. Now enter and re-enter password in the password box. Finally, click Create Account button. Next, click Email tab in the top menu and select cPanel Email. You can see here the email account we created now is live to send and receive messages. Thank you for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.